Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So yeah, I'm one of the staff here at Alegre Guitars. Hi, good morning. So my name is Alegre, so I'll be the one in charge showing you around the factory. So let me give you a little brief context about the guitar making in this factory. So here, you can see all the different types of wood. So the sound of the guitar, it also depends on the wood that we're using, Mouncer. So here we have a lot of local. From Philippines, we have Kalantas Acacia. It's one of our high-end. We have also Philippine mahogany, very famous wood we have here. And here in Cebu, we have mango. So we have guitars made out of mango. Pretty good sound. It really looks really nice. So that's one of our high-end. But I can say local wood, Nara is the best one we have.
Is that the most expensive?
For the local wood, Nara is the most expensive. But the most expensive is this one right here. Indian rosewood. Indian rosewood. This wood, mom, it's very expensive type of wood, and it also produces the best sound. So this wood is it's well known for guitar making.
Can we hear the difference? Do you have one?
Right now we didn't have Indian rosewood. Yes. So right now we only have mango. We have none. So to make one, it takes at least a month. Yes. For the high end, guitars.
How much is one?
Rosewood would range for about 80,000. Yung mango or Nara is about 36 to 40.
Oh wow.
Yes. Solid wood po, it's more expensive because solid wood, it takes years of drying. So here you can see the classical design or classical bracings. Classical bracing is, these are the bracings that we only use for classic guitar. The classical guitar po, yun yung nylon. The classic, yeah, nylon springs. And here we also have the acoustic folk guitar bracings. These are the design that we're using for the metal strings or folk guitars. So they also have a different sound. Classical guitar produce more like softer and mellow sounds, which if you play more like classical songs. The mango, almost done. So just next stage is painting or varnishing. Side and back mango. We only use mango for the side and back, and also rosewood. We only use it for the side and back. And the top, we only use spruce. Spruce wood is softer. Softer wood is really good for the top. It can produce a really nice sound. And rosewood is hard, so it's kind of like a combination of a hardwood for the side and the back, and the softwood for the top.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Man, these things
So
look
we
good.
did have this guitar for almost a year. Last piece we have was sold last year. So ito, this is a new one we have. Very expensive wood. It's gonna be finished with next. This is the process of bending, and this one right here is the molder for different model of guitars. That's I think that's a classical one we have to keep it in shape.
Bending the parts and then piecing the parts together. Got it.
Then after that, we gotta put the bindings around inside. The finished one we have inside already. It's where we put the strings on. That's the cleaning area. So yan, mga tapos na po.
Oh, these are not finished.
No,
Almost.
No, just
They look so good.
Yeah,
Unfinished.
already not painted. Just need to put the strings on and then it's good to go inside.
Magkano mga ukulele?
Ukulele right now we have around 2,800 and it can go up to 14,000
Wow.
or around 270.
Hey!
Come here. Now, ito yung mga mango. Yeah, these are the mango guitars. Oh, ukuleles. These are the mango ukuleles we have. It looks really nice.
Wow. Feels good. Nah.
No.
It's okay, Ryan. You had space.
No, I got another one at the hotel with the Philippines flag
You got
on
one
it.
already.
Yeah.
That's not big.
I know, but it was within my budget.
You like it because it has the Philippine flag.
What's that?
It's not too late to return.
Yeah, I know. Wow. But that one,
No, you're lacking for the design.
exactly.
Not the song.
Exactly.
Right now, wala kami left-handed, but we also make left-handed guitars. Left-handed is...
Man, look at these things. These are shells.
Yeah.
Oh, he's good.
This is the mango one.